A dramatic montage of Roman ruins, legions marching, and famous monuments like the Colosseum and Roman Forum. The Roman Empire, a name that echoes through history. Known for its incredible achievements in architecture, governance, and military might, Rome stood as one of the most powerful empires in human history. But beyond the tales of Julius Caesar and the gladiators, there are fascinating facts about Rome that you may not know. Let's explore the hidden wonders and surprising truths of the Roman Empire. Fact 1. The immensity of the empire. At its height in 117 AD, the Roman Empire spanned over 5 million square kilometers and included modern-day countries like Italy, Spain, France, Egypt, and parts of the Middle East. It was home to around 70 million people, roughly 20% of the world's population at the time. Fact 2. The innovation of Roman concrete. The Romans invented a revolutionary material, Roman concrete, or opus caementicium. This durable mix allowed them to build structures that have stood the test of time, like the Pantheon Dome, which remains the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world. Fact 3. Road network mastery. The Romans built an extensive network of roads spanning over 400,000 kilometers, with 80,000 kilometers paved. These roads weren't just for travel, they were a strategic tool for military movement and trade, giving rise to the saying, "All roads lead to Rome." Fact 4. Advanced water systems. The Romans were pioneers in water engineering. They built aqueducts to transport water from distant sources into cities. One aqueduct, the Aqua Appia, was built in 312 BC and operated for over 400 years. Public baths and fountains ensured that even ordinary citizens had access to clean water. Fact 5. The gladiator reality. Contrary to popular belief, not all gladiators were slaves. Some were free men who chose to fight for glory and wealth. The Colosseum, Rome's grand amphitheater, could hold up to 50,000 spectators, who came to watch these epic battles. Fact 6. Roman currency and economy. The Roman Empire had a sophisticated economy and minted coins with intricate designs. The denarius, a silver coin, became a standard currency across the empire and symbolized Rome's economic might. Fact 7. The first shopping mall. Rome was home to the world's first shopping mall, Trajan's Market, built around 110 AD. This multi-level complex had over 150 shops and offices, selling goods from across the empire, from spices to silk. Fact 8. Roman legal system. Rome's legal system laid the foundation for modern law. The 12 Tables, created in 451 BC, were the first set of written laws, ensuring transparency and fairness for Roman citizens. Many of these principles influence legal systems today. Fact 9. The military powerhouse. The Roman legions were unmatched in discipline and strategy. They introduced innovations like the testudo formation, where soldiers formed a protective shell with their shields. This made them nearly invincible in battle. Fact 10. Rome's downfall. Despite its power, the Roman Empire fell in 476 AD, marking the end of the Western Roman Empire. Factors like overexpansion, corruption, and invasions by barbarian tribes contributed to its decline. However, the Eastern Roman Empire, or Byzantine Empire, continued for another 1,000 years. The Roman Empire wasn't just a superpower, it was a civilization that shaped the world we live in today. From architecture to law, roads to governance, Rome's legacy is everywhere. So next time you walk on a paved road or admire a grand building, remember, you're witnessing the echoes of Rome. If you enjoyed these incredible facts about the Roman Empire, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MZ Sart for more fascinating history content. Thank you so much.